Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. So today I want to share with you how I discovered Agege bread in Germany. Guys, you won't believe it. This is something amazing because I never thought such a bread could be found in a place like this. You know, the last time I ate Agege bread was when I was in Nigeria. So seeing it here in Germany in one of the African shops got me amazed, and I said no, I'm not gonna leave it. I'm going to pick one and have a fantastic breakfast with it. So guys, here I am showing you how I made it. So keep watching and let me know your thoughts about it. Do you like Agege bread? I had mine with a hot cup of coffee and it tastes so good. Friends in Nigeria, how do you prefer eating your Agege bread? Let's know in the comment section. Thank you.